Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class, and this time I will go over how to find proper graph precisely, and we are going to practice through 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so let's do this. I told you whenever you have this type of questions, like cross it out because it doesn't worth it. Well, but just in case, let's say they instead of giving 4 equations, they give you 3, then it works. Do you see this one is a triangle, which means you only need 3 equations? Then you only choose 3 equations. So let's look at this. How many solid line do you see? 2, right? So you should have 2 solid line and it's a 3 equation. So answer is gonna be B. Why it cannot be A? Because again, this is a triangle. You should not have 4 of them. So this is wrong. Okay? So that's a basic thing. And if you don't understand what I just said, you don't really have to because, again, if you see triangles on the answer choice, just cross it out. I've never seen any question that has like this as an answer choice. So forget about it. I just put it just for just in case, but who cares? But here's the thing. I said which of the following could represents inequality shown below, because this one can have more than one answers. So I told you, whenever you look at this, look at how many dashed line do you see. Do you see this one is only 1? So you might probably think, well, then I should have only one inequalities that has dashed line. But do you see this one is a 2 and this one also has a 2? So what's going on here? And here's the thing. Do you see this one this one? X is greater than 0. So whenever you have something that x is greater than 0 or x is less than 0, or if you have a y, this one is the origin. Like this line is x is greater or less than 0. And even if it is a dashed line, do you see this line is actually hidden because of this axis here? That's why you cannot really see this dashed line here. So in fact, you actually have a 2 dashed line with a 2 solid line. Does that make sense to you? Just only problem you see is this x, you cannot see it because it is hidden. So there you go. It is hidden. So other than x, do you see this one? You should have only one dashed line if you exclude this one. Yeah, right here. And 2 solid line. So answer is going to be A. B cannot be the answer because, yeah, even if you have a solid line here, it is going to be hidden. So that's fine. But the problem is you have a 1 solid line, which is going to be like this one. And you have a 2 dashed line. But look, you have a 2 solid line instead of the dashed line, right? So that cannot be the answer. So that's why you cannot have B as an answer, okay? So let me go over one more question with you so that you can kind of understand what I mean, you can ignore x greater than. Let me go over number 9, okay? Because this question and this question, they're exactly same thing. Exactly same picture, but I said could represents, which means this one looks slightly different if you look at this one, okay? So let's look at this. Yeah, just like this one. So wait, let me just explain let's do this one first. So you see only 1 dashed line, right? But it is possible that this one can be either dashed or solid. So let's look at this. Solid. Okay, so this one is a solid. Okay, so doesn't matter. Which means I only should have 1 dashed line out of all this one, right? All 3. So which one is only 1 dashed line out of all 3? You're right, it's going to be B, because do you see this one has a 2, but this one has only 1? So answer is going to be B. So that's how you do it. Look at this one. So, well, this one is x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0. It's a dashed line. But look, this is a dashed line, but it will be hidden by the x-axis, right? So we really don't care about this one. We only care about these 3. And according to this question, because this one is hidden, you need 2 visible dashed line out of here. So which one has a 2 of them? This one. This one is a 2 solid line. So it's going to be A. So by this time, I hope you understand what it is, okay? Let's say this one has, instead of x, it has a y greater than 0. Y greater than 0 is gonna be like this. Like this line can be hidden. Like, yeah, it's gonna work opposite, okay? Because it's a line. So keep that in mind, all right? So that's about it, guys. If you have any question, just let me know. We're gonna practice a little bit more. I prepared 6 questions about this one, so by the time you complete this, you will be able to understand what I mean. And before the test, make sure you review about this part. But even if you don't, you will have only one question about this. So like just understanding like this part, oh, I see 2, so I'm gonna choose something that has a 2. Like that's fine, because you will be able to cross out like 2 answer choices automatically. So it's gonna be really a matter of these 2. And even if you don't know it, you will get the answer by 50% chance. All right. So that's about it, guys. Yeah, just if you have any question, just let me know. As always, I will answer to you. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Love you guys. Bye. Ooh, yeah.